Making your own Indominus Rex. Giganotosaurus, Majungasaurus, Carnotaurus, Velociraptor, Therizinosaurus, Tyrannosaurus, Cuttlefish, Tree Frog, and Pit Viper, the Indominus Rex was a dinosaur unlike any other. It was so ferocious that it had eaten its own sibling. And that whole list of animals just now? Well, it's only the beginning because the rest of it is strictly classified, and we will never know what exactly goes into the making of Indominus Rex. But how is that possible? Do scientists, like fairy godmothers, just throw all these animals into a gigantic pot and bippity-boppity-boo an Indominus Rex? Well, not quite. An Indominus Rex is what scientists would call a genetically modified organism. So that means that its genes have been changed so that it contains DNA from other species or organisms. So let's take a look into what DNA and genes actually are. So DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is found in the nuclei of all our cells, and they contain our genes, which are segments of DNA that control what our traits are. For example, the eye color, hair color, or whether or not we like broccoli. Because of this, it's usually referred to as the recipe book of life. So that's all pretty cool, but can we use genetics to create an Indominus Rex? Well, modern scientists have created some pretty bizarre animals with genetic engineering. And some of these include glow-in-the-dark cats with jellyfish genes. They also include silk-spinning goats with spider genes. And my personal favorite, the venomous cabbage with scorpion genes. So how does any of this come about? Well, genetic engineering uses these enzymes called ligases to cut out a portion of the desired gene. And then we put this desired gene into something called a vector. And this is usually a virus or a bacteria. And we need this to carry the gene into an egg cell. And once the vector is inside the egg cell, we implant this egg cell into a surrogate animal which will carry your little beautiful genetically modified organisms to term. Ta-da! Glow-in-the-dark cats. So with genetic engineering, creating an Indominus Rex is possible? Well, it's really not that simple. Yes, we do have the technology available to make cross hybrids, but we also don't have the materials needed to create a living, breathing dinosaur. We still don't have things like preserved and viable dinosaur DNA. We still haven't found a suitable vector, and we still haven't found a suitable environment to carry our little dinosaur to term. So an Indominus isn't really possible right now. But the big question is, should we use genetic engineering to create superhumans? I mean, think of all the amazing creations we have with genetic engineering, like glow-in-the-dark cats and silk-spinning goats, venomous cabbage. What if we use that technology on ourselves? What if we used it to make ourselves stronger? Or even smarter? Or maybe even potentially glow-in-the-dark? Like a glow-in-the-dark cat. Would that lead us to the bright future that we've always envisioned, where everyone has superpowers, where everyone is equal? Or will it, like the Indominus Rex, lead us to our own destruction? So tune in next week as we talk more about the genetic implications of genetic engineering. Thank you.